So I review a lot of products, and a lot of them are pretty typical, but sometimes I get something that is actually cool. Like I can tell it's different. This is an air duster. This is from GOOLOO. They sell jump starters, stuff like that. Reviewed a lot of their jump starters. They're always quality equipment. And this is their new F1 air duster that they sent me to review. And I was like, okay, another air duster. I've reviewed plenty of those that, oh, they vacuum, they also dust. But this one is a little different. You can tell it actually has innovation. It's just not another copy with a different brand name. Here it all comes like this, and it's really small and compact. Look how small it is. And a couple cool features about it. Look right here. These are all magnets. All the different attachments, they have these little magnetic points. You can see where these screws are right here. So it's going to be a duster out this way, and it's going to basically, it's sucking in the air here, so it'll vacuum out this way. It's super small, and look, listen how quiet this thing is. And this, you gotta see this motor. Look at this. So when you turn it on, it shows you the battery level. Like, it is so powerful and quiet. You can see the motor in here, and you get this different attachment. It blows a ton of air, and then you just swap them out like this. Different points, whatever thing you could possibly need. Here's another one. And it has these extra attachments here if you want like a soft blade, a soft one on it. And it also comes with a vacuum canister. USB-C rechargeable. Also has a light down here which you can turn on. So this is nice to keep in your car with emergency. Then off. And it vacuums here. So let's go test it out and see how well it works. And it does come with this extension as well. Great for car detailing, your office. Here's the little USB-C charger. I do wish it came with like a bag to put all this stuff in, all the attachments and stuff. That would be the best. But just compare this to the last one I reviewed. So my computer and everything's completely filthy, but that's why it's nice to have something like this. Clean everything out in there. So going to test out the vacuum function. Just put up some new shelves, so it made some dust fall down here, and we're going to see how well this works. And if you need to get down in the crevice, it has this extension tool. Some heavy dirt this morning from my dog, so we're going to clean that up. Really nice. In these corners right here. Dog hair. Look, it's all in there. It also works really well for car detailing in our filthy car. I will say the one downside to this is that since it is a magnetic mount and this vacuum is rather big, if you're pushing down on it, it can come off. So you have to take, be aware of that. And you have to hold this button down. It doesn't have like an auto, but you can blow to start the process. Blow some stuff out in here. Sometimes it's good to get stuff out of those little ink. And then you can vacuum it all up. Get all the dog hair. See how it can kind of come off if you're not careful. That's great for detailing though. All the dog hair. Oh, look at that. really works. This is much more powerful than most of these I've used in the past. All these pesky angles, dog hair. Look at all that. Getting it all. The battery's still good. Big for a little big of a job for the floor mats down here, but it's working. Look at right in this seam right here. All that sand. Puts it right up. It works awesome. Look at all that stuff crud we've already got in here.